Hello guys, today we are discussing about social engineering attack. What is social engineering attack? Social engineering attack is the art of manipulating users of a computing system into revealing confidential information that can be used to gain unauthorized access to a computer system. The term can also include activities such as exploiting human kindness, greed, and curiosity to gain access to restricted access buildings or getting the users to installing backdoor software. It is a step-by-step process. Let's dive into that. Step 1. Gathering information. Step 2. Planning attack. Step 3. Acquire tools. Step 4. Attack. Gathering information. This is the first stage. He learns as much as he can about the intended victim. The information is gathered from company websites, other publications, and sometimes by talking to the users of the target system. Plan attack. The attackers outline how he or she intends to execute the attack. Acquire tools. These include computer programs that an attacker will use when launching the attack. Attack. Exploit the weaknesses in the target system. Use acquired knowledge, information gathered during the social engineering tactics such as pet names, birth dates of the organization founders, etc., is used in attacks such as password guessing. How is social engineering executed? The hackers type in the collected information such as the birth dates of the organization founders, their phone numbers, lucky numbers, pet names, etc. into the brute forcing software. The brute forcing software will find every possible matches of the given information and thus the password is guessed. This is the reason why ethical hackers say that not to use birth dates, phone numbers, and other easily remembered words when creating a social media account. So what are the methods to prevent this attack? Don't try to use easily guessable words as your password. Try to use a strong password that is mixed with symbols. By this way we can create passwords that are hack-proof. In the next video we are going to discuss about brute forcing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tech-related videos.